What's up?
Oh, is it recording?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello, YouTube.
This is Box Fan Willie and Zach the Fan Man here. We're just we're just testing this Mathis cooler out. We just got it, and we're gonna
It's gotta be doggy approved.
Yeah. Come on, Gracie, get out of the way. Here it is on high.
She's about like my cat.
Do I need to put some oil in it first?
Might not be a bad idea.
Yeah. Oh.
Because it hadn't been run for a while.
I was gonna say. Come on, Gracie.
Gracie, come here.
Well, actually, it had a good spin down time.
Did it?
Wait.
Actually, I think no, it is right. Never mind.
I can't even see the oil ports.
Huh.
There's gotta be oil ports in this motor.
Well,
Yeah.
if you turn it on, it hadn't run for a while. It might speed up
Yeah.
as it. Let's see. Well, it sounds like it might be a little off balance.
Just a little.
Yeah.
Shake.
Not too bad. It's smoothed out now.
The amps don't even show up. There's no. It doesn't say anything for the point amps.
Well, it's a 210 now, but it's still dropping.
That one draws 6.26 amps, so I guess that motor is a little bigger than
Yeah. It's still dropping. Gracie, what are you doing?
Hey, Gracie, get out of the way. We want to see the fan, not your butt.
Come here.
I think it just needs fiber wash.
Come here, mutt. Probably. Yeah, it's right at 2 amps now.
Wow, that blade's really crap.
Is it?
Yeah, I guess I'll have to super glue that one.
Needs a cord, too.
Yeah. At the very least, I can just use it for parts and get that chrome piece off of it. Gracie. Okay.
No, don't eat the cord. Silly goose.
She always puts her feet on it. So here's it on speed 1. No, it dropped a lot, and it puts out a really good amount of air.
So that's your first ever Mathis cooler.
Yeah. I mean that one I got first, but that's from that's not mine.
That one's the one you're fixing for somebody.
Yeah. I am glad I got that though, but I'm gonna put the screws back in so you can see it run.
Okay. Maybe we ought to do a video of it.
Yeah.
Well, too.
There's low. I think it's definitely gonna run faster if we get
it oiled and cleaned up and.
Yeah. Let me take it off the tripod. My phone goes out of focus.
Oh, I know. I hate it when it does that.
Mine goes out of focus like all the time.
So does mine.
I think it would definitely run faster, but it's probably. I mean, this puts out a nice little breeze.
I can feel it from over here.
Yeah.
Gracie enjoys it. She's laying right in front of it.
Let me see the motor. I'm trying to see if I can find any details on it. Let me just get this flashlight.
Their name on the switch plate.
Or on the motor, because it might say the amp draw. It's like some cobwebs. Looks like a spider lived in here before we turned it on.
Might still be living in there. You never know.
Hopefully not. Hope the blade gets chopped by the blades. I remember one time there was a spider that came crawling on a motor.